Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Lito X1. In this video I'll explain flying modes. This drone has three flying modes: normal, sport and Cine. You can switch them by switching this button. Let's start with normal. The normal mode can be used in most of scenarios. The drone can be precisely navigated through air and fly with stability, while it can use intelligent flying modes. In sport, the drone has maximal speed in horizontal movement increased, in contrary to natural, normal and Cine modes. You have to remember that in sport mode, collision avoidance is turned off. In Cine, the drone works like in normal mode with the limited speed, which makes the drone more stable during recording. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.